Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, we're going to talk about user ID on Lloyds Bank. So without further ado, let's dive into the video. Ever tried logging into your Lloyds Bank account and thought, wait, what is my user ID again? Yeah, totally normal. Let's clear it up. What exactly is a Lloyds Bank user ID and why does it matter? Alright, so your user ID is basically your digital key to access Lloyd's online banking. Think of it like your online name tag. It tells the system who you are before you even enter your password or memorable information. So here's the thing, your user ID isn't something random. If you registered online, Lloyds would have either let you create your own user ID or they assigned you one. It's usually a combination of letters and numbers. And yep, you need it every time you log in from a new device or if your cookies are cleared. A lot of people mix up their user ID with their account number, sort code, or even their customer number. But nope, it's its own thing. So if you're staring at your debit card trying to guess it, you're not alone. But that's not it. If you've forgotten your user ID, don't stress. On the Lloyd's login page, there's a Forgotten Your Login Details link. Click that, answer a few security questions, and they'll help you recover or reset it. You might need your account details and access your registered phone number or email, so have those nearby. And hey, just a heads up. Never share your user ID or login details with anyone. Lloyds will never ask for them in an email or over the phone. If someone does, it's probably a scam. So there you go. Your Lloyds user ID is like your secret pass to online banking. Keep it safe, jot it down somewhere secure if you forget easily and you'll be logging in like a pro. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!